Hello friends, this is Chef Rohan. Welcome to Delicious Harmonies with Mahabals. Today we are going to make a super easy and yum recipe. So today morning I went to the market and I saw these beautiful corns out there. And that's when I decided to make a beautiful bhutta curry. So let's get started. 1 whole corn, 1 cup curd, turmeric 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, salt as required, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, oil 3 tablespoon, 3 medium sized onions sliced, 2 medium sized tomatoes sliced, chopped coriander 5 to 6 sprigs. Firstly, we are going to start mixing the spices into the curd. First, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander or dhania powder, cumin powder, jeera powder. This is garam masala powder. I'm going to add the ginger paste, the garlic paste, a teaspoon of salt, and then we are going to mix all of these together. This is very easy, no rocket science, no brainer required, and this is going to help us in making the gravy very fast. So let's start with making the gravy now. Let's heat the pan first. Add some oil. Let your oil get heated. Add the onions. Let's saute them till golden brown. I'm going to show you a very rustic way of presenting this dish. So do watch the video till the end. And if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, is the time now to go and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon as well to get all our beautiful updates on these recipes and the songs we present. So here are the onions turning golden brown slowly. The onions have turned nice and golden brown. Let's add the tomatoes now. Stir it for a while and cook them until they are soft. The tomatoes have turned soft now, so let's mix the spiced curd which we had made before. Stir it well and let it cook for a while. Just cover it up until it releases oil. Now we are going to roast the corn on the gas, what we call as bhutta. It will give a nice smoky flavor to the curry. And corn is easily available in the monsoons also. This crackling noise of the corn takes me back to the childhood days, standing by the streets and on a rainy day having the bhutta with some chaat masala on top of it. Lovely days. The corn is now nice and charred. We'll stop the gas, turn off the gas, and we are going to slice it now. Let's cut the corn into pieces, fair sized pieces. Your knife should be a bit sharp to cut this. And we are going to add this to the gravy. It's going to pop out. Superb. Let's take out the cover. Oh wow. As you can see, there is oil which has been released. You can add the corn. Coat it with the masala. Wonderful aroma is coming. You're going to love this. I'm going to add a little bit of water and let it simmer it for a while on a medium flame. I'm going to taste it for the seasoning. How it's spicy. Requires a teaspoon of salt. Let's stir it and simmer it for around 5 to 10 minutes. Let's see. Oh, this is almost done. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to give a smoke to it. So let's light up some coal. The coal is also heated up now. Let's transfer this. We are going to just keep the bowl in between. I'm going to add a little bit of butter to it. And cover it up quickly. Keep it for around 2-3 minutes. Turn off the gas now and let it cook with its heat itself with the cover. We are going to serve the bhutta curry on a bed of small coal hearth. In simple words, a chula. to give it a nice rustic restaurant style look. So let's add a coal to this. If you don't have this, that's completely fine. I'm going to cover this up. Let's take it out in a serving bowl. Let's take out the gravy. We are going to add the corn one by one, arrange it in the bowl. Nicely place it. We are going to garnish it with chopped coriander. Here we go, your smoky corn bhutta curry. One more way to present this is, I've heated the chula and you can just keep this on top. It will give a nice this smoky flavor. You will be surprised why this guy is not using a spoon to taste it. But there is more fun in licking your fingers. It's smoky, rustic, tangy, spicy, perfect for the rainy season. You can have this with parathas or any of the Indian breads. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comment box below. Do like the video and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. Till then, keep enjoying the delicious recipes and harmonious songs. Thank you.